Hello, my name is Mary and today I will be showing you how to make crossover cables or post stitches. I will be showing you how to make two versions of these cross cables. In the first version I will be making crossover, I will be showing you cables that cross over from the front, and in the second I will be making the cables crossover from the back. You will understand this better when I show you how it is done. I have used these in a hat pattern that I had designed. It's called Garua hat. I will add a link in the description below if you are interested. Now in the swatch here, if you look closely, I have done two types of crossovers. In the first one, I have made the crossover from the front, right? And in the second, I have made the crossover from the back, correct? They both have the same set of instructions. The only difference is that one is crossed over from the front and the other is crossed over from the back. So let me show you. To start, we will be skipping these 4 stitches. I will be using front post double treble crochet. You can use any post stitches, but I'm using this only because it's got length and it will be easier for you to see it. I've made 2 front post double treble crochet here. I will be working into the 2 skipped double crochet. I'll be working 2 double crochets here. Now I want to work 2 FPDTRs into these 2 stitches. I will be crossing over from the front, that is above the earlier made post stitches, right? Here, post stitch number 1. That's important, right? And post stitch number 2. Done that again. Okay, let me work these 2 DCs before I show you. Correct. Here, can you see the stitches? Let's do this again. 1 2 3 4 skip stitches, work FPDTR into the next, work 1 more, right? Work 2 DCs into the skipped DCs, DC 1, DC 2. Now again I will be working FPDTR from the top. FPDTR 1, FPDTR 2, let me finish this row. Right, now next I will be showing you how to work these stitches from the back. Before I do that, I have to work on the wrong side, which I will do quickly. DC, DC, back post, DC 1, back post DC 2. I'm not using FPDTR here only because I'm not crossing over, so I don't really need the length. I can use a straightforward back post DC, and I'm working back post because I'm working on the wrong side of the fabric. Now if I'm working in the round, I would use front post DC, but here I'm on the wrong side and I want all my post stitches to be on the same side. 2 DC, back post DC, back post DC, 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 back post DC, another back post DC, regular DC, DC, and the last stitch. Now you should be able to see these stitches better. Now I will be doing the same stitches, but I will be working from the back. Chain 3, DC, DC. Just like before, I'll be skipping 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll be doing front post, double treble crochet 1 and another one, I will be working the 2 DCs that I skipped with DCs 1 and 2. Now this is the key part. Instead of making stitches from the top or from the front, I will be working underneath. Right, I can hold these 2 stitches up, FPDTR, take it from below and work it into the post stitches from the previous row. Right, I love making cables so much. They add such a texture to my patterns. I never miss an opportunity to use cables. The second one, it's a little fiddly, I have to admit, but once you get the hang of it, it won't be an issue. Right here, let me add 2 DCs before I show you. Can you see? Right, let's do this again. I skipped the 4 stitches, FPDTR 1, FPDTR 2, I work into the 2 skipped DCs. Again, I will not work from the front, I will work from beneath. Here I go from here, work into the first post, into the second post, and the row, 3 DCs, okay, and that's it. As you can see, it's a subtle difference, but it adds a beautiful pattern. Here we have worked from the front and here we have worked from the back. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like the video and leave a comment. Thank you.